Hello there, and welcome back to the RecordsKeeper.AI tutorial series. Are you running out of storage but don't want to upgrade your plan? Then this video is for you. Today, we'll learn how to buy more storage on RecordsKeeper.AI without upgrading your subscription plan. So let's get started. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see your current usage and storage. To purchase more, head over to the side menu, click on Settings, and go to the Billing and Invoices section. From the top, tab select AI usage. Here, you'll see a detailed overview of your usage. This includes AI storage, team members, and AI search retrieval queries. Go to the storage card and click Buy More. You'll now see the available storage packages and their pricing. I want 2 units, so I'm adding 2 units. If you have a promo or discount code, click on Have a Discount Coupon, enter your code, and apply it. The discount will automatically reduce the total price. Click Update to confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully increased your storage. Now you can store more without upgrading your entire plan. It's simple, flexible, and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to explore the platform and enjoy your 3 days free trial. See you in the next video.